about, when it comes to personal or business, it's all about structure. Like anything else. And the thing is, people will go straight to try to build business credit, but they don't have the structure. Like you have to have the credibility steps first, because it's not going to make sense if you don't have it when you start to go out there. So somebody might have an EIN, a brand new business. There are some banks you can go to and you can get $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a brand new business, but you have to know those banks and what their requirements are. Now, someone say, okay, I'm gonna go and get me a credit card, but guess what? You have no history before that. Who's gonna most likely give you a credit card? If what they're gonna do is they might give it to you, but they're gonna personally guarantee your personal stuff, your personal credit. You have to do that. In the beginning, I did it that way. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, listen, you where you are, right? So in the beginning, I had excellent personal credit. So like I was getting business credit left to right. And so now I'm in a position, because I built my business credit, now I can go solely apply for stuff, and I don't have my personal stuff on the hook because my business credit profile is strong enough.